Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of posts not uploading on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go to this window of REDnote and we click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.